Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Zero Electric SR. This is the sport bike, 13.0 kilowatt. This is the powerful one. It's got about 100 plus foot-pounds of torque. That's more than a super bike, really. This bike flies. It's quiet. Just plug it in. No gas, no nothing. It's fully electric, automatic transmission. It's got excellent brakes and suspension. Only 827 miles. This one's also equipped with the charge tank feature, so it works with all the universal charging systems all around the California Bay Area. This bike is in excellent condition, only 827 miles, save about $5,000 over the price of new. It's on sale for just $12,990, normally $17,990. Come by, check it out, make your Zero Electric dreams come true. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. No noise at all. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.